Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your phone, okay? This is Julijetek tutorials. Alright, so you can record your screen by just going to your toolbar here. So if you swipe down on your phone, you see the tools here, and here you see screen recorder. So you can use the screen recorder that is in your phone. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will see the recording button. Just click on the recording button and it will start recording the screen of your phone. But if you do not have screen recorder, I'm going to show you what to do next. Okay, so I want to introduce you to this particular recorder. Go to your app store, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using the Play Store Android operating system. So let me just go back a bit so that I'll show you how to search for it. So just search for X recorder. It's there, X recorder. So when you search for X recorder, you're going to see different kinds of screen recorders. You're going to see some screen recorder that is even looking like the X recorder, but this is not the X recorder. No, this is not the one we are talking about. This is actually the one that we are talking about. This is it. So if you want to know, you can just click on it and open it so that you can see very well. This is the one that we are talking about, and it has this name X recorder in it. So you can also compare it with what I'm having on my screen right now. If it is the same, okay. If you have it the same, you just need to install it. If you've not installed it before, so just install it. But after installing it, you can just click on open. When you open your screen, your X recorder, you are going to have this. Let me just open it for the first time again. Let me close it. This is it there. So I'm opening it back again. I'm opening it back the second time. So we have it here. Okay. So let me just show you some few things. It has brush. This is the brush here. You can just mark something as you saw me doing. Okay. You can just enable the brush. If you enable the brush, you are going to see the brush here. You can move the brush here to anywhere. So when you record your screen, you can touch the brush and you can just enable it and then start marking things. And after that, you click on the X icon, the brush will disappear. This particular one is the face cam. This one is the screenshot. You can use the face cam, okay? And then this one is the floating ball. So it is also good that you enable the floating ball while you are recording your screen. For example, if I click on it, let me cancel this. If I click on it, of course, it's saying that you cannot modify it when you are recording. So I'm actually recording with this particular X recorder right now. So I wanted to just stop the floating ball, but it does not allow me to stop it. Okay, so let me just show you the work of the floating ball. So this is actually the floating ball here. As you can see, I am just dragging it. I'm just dragging it to the left part of my phone, dragging it to different parts of my phone. So this is the floating ball. So if you tap on the floating ball, even if you are not on X recorder, if you tap on it, you are going to see different tools. So I'm currently recording right now. If I click on this first one, yeah, it's going to pause it. We have tools like pause, we have tools like stop, we have tools like settings and other things like that. While this one is the brush, okay. So we have two tools here, two floating tools here. Just click on any one that you want. As you are recording, let's say you want to talk about something, just click on it and say yes. So now let's explain about Zenda. You mark it and then something like that, okay. And you just click on this X icon and it is gone. And if you want to stop the video, you click on this small one here, this small box here. Just look for your phone. You are going to see it. Just click on it. If you click on it, you are going to see the stop bar here. Yeah, this one that is square, you click on it and it will stop. You want to pause the video, just click on the pause sign here, and it's going to stop the video, or it's going to pause the video for you. All right, so remember, this is Julijetek tutorial. It brings to you tools, AI, video editing, and anything digital to teach you, to equip you. Okay, please subscribe if you're watching this from YouTube. Thank you very much for watching, and please like and comment in this particular video. Thank you, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye for now.